It's like I got snot coming out of my nose. Got little gray snowy hairs.
Look at her. Look at his eyelashes. Look at that. Holy. Oh, we should take a picture like that. Well, I want to go like run and then just for myself outside there.
Okay, go. Look. Oh, look at Kid back up. Welcome to Buffalo.
Oh, hell no!
Whoa! Mama, you should walk up to the road. Close it again. Close it.
Holy, this is crazy.
Look, come over here. Look. Oh wait.
Holy. What is the temperature?
Come on, Mama. All right, guys. If you ever want to move to Buffalo, this is what you'll be looking for. Look, I'm not even to the. Oh my God, you can't even see out there, guys. What's going on? Look. Mama, look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. I'm gonna get stuck. See if I can even get out to the road. Don't come over here. Don't come. Hold on. Oh my God. This is crazy. Look. Mama, you can't even see. I'm at the road right now. This is insane, man.
The snowman is now up in Niagara Falls.
The car doesn't come and hit me. You see how far it's hit? Oh my God. Woo! Hey. Woo! Okay, guys. Reporting live at Buffalo. Oh my God, I better get out the road. Let me check the winds. Okay. I think it's about minus 1008 Fahrenheit. Got a little snow. It's coming. I don't know if it's coming from up there or let me see. Okay, reporting. I better get back. Look, guys. Look at this. This is my footsteps. But you see how deep it is. Look at my. So it's up to my knees. And this is in the driveway. Holy, this is crazy, man. Walking in the winter wonderland. Oh, we're just at the mailbox. Okay, let's go back, Mama. It's freezing. I can't take it. Whoa!
Cole, we have to go home.
We gotta go back in, guys. We can't take it no more.
We actually live in Buffalo. We're not living in the Arctic Circle.
Yeah, we're not in the Arctic Circle. We're actually in Buffalo. But sing with me, everybody.
If I fall back, this is crazy. But how come the snow won't go?
Channel 4 News reporting live. Uh-oh. I think I'm destroying my camera, guys. I better get the hell out of here. I told you. Crazy, huh? So, Mama,
What?
think it's time to move?
Yeah, I guess.
Is it?
Yeah, I guess.
I think it's time to move, man. I don't like this weather. It looks nice, it's beautiful. Look at this, man. But don't feel beautiful. Bah, bah, bah.
Something to Holy, this is crazy.
I don't know, guys. Looks like I got snot coming out of my nose. Got little gray, snowy hairs.
Look at her. Look at his eyelashes. Look at that. Holy. Oh, we should take a picture like this. Take a picture like this. What are you like how?
Thumbnail. 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 Look at the. Huh? Okay, let's go. This is gonna ruin the camera.
Okay. Holy, our friends in Hong Kong, you guys always want a white Christmas. We have a white Christmas here, but it's a white out Christmas, like a white out one.
To my sister-in-law that lives in London, you haven't seen any snow yet. I'm sorry.
Yeah. And then
you haven't seen real snow.
The snow is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah, to my sister-in-law. Sorry about the snot, guys, and everything. But, whew. But you haven't seen real snow yet.
Yeah. Temperature now it's like minus what? No, 8. No.
Huh?
Is it 8 Fahrenheit?
Something like.
So
I
it's
don't
like
know.
minus
Okay, let's go.
20 degrees Celsius.
Right. So, yeah, we wanted to show you guys. Hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see this well because snow's covering the lens. You alright?
Look
Back
at
there?
our building. Look at that.
I know,
the
look at it.
tree.
I know. But okay, time to go back in, mama. All right, guys, we just wanted to show you how we're living. You know.
We have to go back into our igloo.
Yeah, we have to go back into our igloo. So we will see you guys on the next vlog. Peace!
Power line down right here, big drifts as well. Obviously an area hammered by the wind. Power line down. No problem.